Okay, welcome to my channel everyone. My name is Rojre and this is the first in my series of learning cocktails with Rojre. I'll be using this book as my guide to make different cocktails. We are currently located in Spanish Town, Jamaica. Now, let's go.
First we will be adding ice to our shaker, then 3/4 ounces of lime juice, 1 3/4 ounces of vodka. In this case we will be using Absolute vodka. And we will be shaking until it's frosted. Pour it into a glass, add some more ice, top it up with some ginger beer, and there we have it, our Moscow Mule.
Good morning.
Definitely not as sweet as the other one, the ginger beer overpowering the rest of it. One that's kind of and because of the lime juice mixed with it, it tones down the ginger beer to a point where it's like more enjoyable. I guess.
That's harsh.
Yeah, that's not that harsh.
Cut down the bitterness and increase the sweetness.
Right. But at the same time, it's like a good balance for eating the different sweetness, you know?
We'll add 1 3/4 ounces of vodka to an ice-filled glass, top it up with orange juice, stir to mix, and there we have it, our screwdriver.
And put some of the salt in it. Not this thing.
Yeah. I say it's definitely good, but it's like, this would only taste good while it's raining. I think like, as cold as it can get, this would be best. This is almost like, what are those things called? Yeah, anyway, even as simple as it is, it still has a good amount of limon for a cold day. And it still works, the vodka itself is not overpowering. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You'll see more content in the near future, and like, comment and subscribe, and catch you in the next one.